Hello everyone, welcome to this example where we are required to find the equation of a straight line when we are given one point. In this case, it's point A and the gradient itself. Okay, and when we have these two pieces of information, we could actually make use of the equation of a line in this form. Y minus y1 equals to m bracket x minus x1 as shown in the right hand side of this video to help us find the equation of the line. Okay, so now that I know m is 0 and my point A, x is negative 3, y is negative 1, I am going to just simply substitute in. So I will have y minus my y1, this x1, y1, so y1 will be negative 1. Do take note, every time we substitute a value in, it is recommended to put and use brackets. So 0 multiplied by x minus negative 3, close bracket. And therefore, for this case, you will see that this one will be y minus negative 1 will be positive 1. 0 times anything will be equals to 0. So therefore, final answer, y equals to negative 1. This will be the equation of this particular line here. And indeed, when we have gradient equals to 0, it is indeed a horizontal line. Okay, so using this, now that my gradient is negative 1 and my x1 is negative 7, y1 is 9, I am going to use this. So y minus 9 is equals to negative 1 multiplied by x minus negative 7. So I'm going to solve for this. So y minus 9 equals to negative 1 multiplied by x minus negative 7 will be positive 7. And after which, continue to expand. Negative 1 times x is negative 1x. Negative 1 times 7 is negative 7. And finally, but slowly, I'm finishing my answer. So here I will have to plus 9 on both sides, so that you will see a plus 9 here. So y equals to negative x positive 2. Okay, negative 7 plus 9 is positive 2. Alright, with that, I've successfully found the equation of the line y equals to minus x plus 2. And we have come to the end of this video. Do take note this video, how this video actually make use of the equation on the right hand side of this video to help us find the equation of the line. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.